Hello. Things will be turning milder over the weekend, but it's pretty chilly out there today. A cold wind making it feel particularly fresh, despite actually many places seeing quite a bit of blue sky and winter sunshine. As well as some sunshine, there are some showers, particularly across the west. You can see them here on the satellite image. The wider scene shows a big area of low pressure way out to the northwest. And tucked in here, we've got some milder air that will be arriving over the course of the weekend, but it's not with us yet. The showers then pepping up across the northwest of England into North Wales. Some heavy ones, hail, showers, even some thunderstorms are possible, but they're pretty well scattered across the west, south of Scotland, seeing some Northern Ireland, the old one for Cornwall. Much of the east and south of the country dry and bright, and brightening up across Norfolk after the early morning rain here. But it does feel chilly, 5 to 7 degrees. Add on that wind and it feels fresher than that, particularly in the west, and especially when the showers come along. Now the showers are fading through the afternoon and into the evening. Still a few going for northwest England and West Wales, but for many it will be a dry evening. Staying dry and clear across the east overnight. That will allow a touch of frost, but temperatures, after initially dropping across the west, will actually start to rise as we go through the morning, because cloud and outbreaks of rain will start to trickle in. So turning damp pretty quickly through the morning across Northern Ireland and western Scotland. A bit of snow likely, but only really over the tops of the hills. And then that rain just becoming more extensive across northern England, across Wales by lunchtime, into southwest England, and eventually pushing towards East Anglia in the southeast, although most here will be dry for much of the day. The rain will get a little heavier through the afternoon for Wales and, of course, parts of the Midlands as the breeze starts to pick up once more. It will be turning milder, but I suspect it's going to feel pretty cold for most of the day in the east, 5 or 6 degrees at best, because it's going to be clouding over after that cold and frosty start. But in the southwest, eventually, temperatures reaching double digits, 11, 12, maybe even 13 Celsius. That milder air will spread in more widely across the south during Saturday nights. We'll have a bit more rain, though, to come through the evening across East Anglia and the southeast. Damp and drizzly conditions persisting for most of England and Wales, but something a little clearer for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Those weather fronts bringing the rain linger on Sunday, but then all eyes out to the west as this area of low pressure really starts to intensify later on Sunday. A bit concerned about this as it heads its way up towards Northern Ireland and then northern and western Scotland. Some very tightly packed isobars there, some very strong winds possible during Sunday night across the northwestern corner of the UK. So we are a bit concerned about the developments of that area of low pressure, something we're keeping a close eye on. Generally a cloudy but mild day in the south on Sunday with some patchy rain. Brighter conditions further north, but then the potential for those very windy weather, in the northwest on Sunday night and into Monday morning. Keep up to date with the latest Met Office warnings. Best way to do that, get our app, visit our website, or follow us across social media.